Imagine a world where diseases are detected before you even feel sick, where doctors use quantum-powered AI to cure illnesses faster than ever. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of healthcare, powered by quantum AI. Right now, millions of lives are lost every year because diseases are discovered too late or treatments are too slow. Even with advanced AI, today's computers can't process the complexity of the human body fast enough. Quantum AI changes everything. By combining the power of quantum computing with artificial intelligence, it can analyze billions of medical records in seconds, simulate the human body at a molecular level, and discover new drugs faster than ever before. The future of healthcare isn't just about curing diseases. It's about preventing them before they even start. With quantum AI, a healthier, longer, and smarter life is possible. The question is, are we ready to trust AI with our health? Scientists are already using quantum AI to design new cancer treatments, create personalized medicine tailored to your DNA, and even predict future outbreaks before they spread. Imagine AI doctors working alongside human doctors, superintelligent medicine for everyone. If you believe quantum AI will change the future of medicine, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Quantum AI Vision for more exciting insights into tomorrow's technology.